Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be testing out this temporary hair color situation that I found online. I've been looking for something to kind of switch up my look a little bit. When I want to do that, I usually either like opt for wigs or a protective style because I don't really straighten my hair that much. I maybe do it maybe once a year, if that. So I've kind of been dabbling in the idea of switching up my color. And I really want blue hair. So I decided to pick up this temporary hair color. The brand is Mofajang. I promise that I'm saying that wrong. So you guys can correct me below. It's, Mofahang or Mofajang, one of those two. I found it on Instagram. I was just kind of looking for like some temporary solutions. And I don't really like the sprays just because I feel like they make my hair really stiff. So I decided to try this out. A lot of the people on their page did have curly hair or do have curly hair. So that's kind of why I was also like, okay, I'm definitely gonna try this out. There are 7 colors. They have green, purple, red, silver, gold. And the 2 that I'm gonna be using today are the blue and the white. I kind of want to mix a little bit of the blue with the white and kind of come up with like a sky blue situation and just add some highlights to that. I'm really into highlights, like that whole look. They were $6.99 each, but I ordered all 7 of them for like $49. Some people did say that if they used too much product, it made their hair really stiff. I'm not crazy about stiffer curls. I do like my curls to be a little bit more bouncy. So that's something I'm gonna try to avoid. I already prepped my hair. I just used leave-in conditioner. This is the one by As I Am. This has been my current go-to, the one that I use every single day whenever I'm like refreshing or styling my hair. That's the one that I've been using. Most of the people on their site did have darker hair, so I'm really interested in seeing how it looks on my blondish hair. So I'm not sure if it's gonna take a little bit different, but I'm really excited to try this out. Don't forget to also like, share, and subscribe. And now let's jump into the video. So I'm just doing some little space buns. I'm going to take some of this product. Super easy to use. You're supposed to literally just take the product and start applying it to your hair. I'm gonna start coating the hair from root to end. I don't know if I'm doing this wrong. It is a stiffer material. You can see how my curls are pretty straight. And it said to wash out in 1 wash. So it's not damaging to your curls. So first I'm coating all of the hair and then I'm going through and I'm like fine tuning. And then I'm just gonna move on to the top of my hair. It's a lot easier to apply than I thought it would be. I really like this color. Yes, blue hair. This color makes me happy. Wanna make sure both sides of your hair are covered. You wanna get your edges too. I'm just touching up, making sure everything is nice and azul. So now I'm gonna do this last piece. I have used a decent amount of that product, so I would say I might be able to get like 2 uses out of this. This part up here is really important because that will look cray cray. Yo, my shower is going to be blue AF when I wash this out of my hair. This product isn't the most comfortable to work with just because it's very, very stiff. And I can deal with it for, you know, a few days. Let me just be extra and do it. So I took a little bit of the white and I'm just going to create this color and very strategically place these. And these are gonna serve as my like highlights. So this is what my hands and hair look like. Now I'm loving this color. I might just gotta do it. Now I'm just gonna wait until my hair completely dries down, come back, show you guys what the color looks like, how my hair feels, and just my final thoughts. So if you are interested in seeing the final look, me with my blue hair debut, just stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, so we are back. It's been a few hours since I put that hair color on my hair. And I just want to talk to you a little bit about the results. I haven't really played too much with it. I kind of just wanted it to air dry I wanted to see how my curls settled. And now I'm just going to kind of separate the curls, see if I can give it a little bit more body. I do like my hair to have like some frizz, some body, and to be a little bit bigger. This does seem to be like weighing down my curls a bit, but I still have pretty good definition. Love, love, love the color. One thing that I do notice is that it makes my hair very stiff, almost like I applied like a stronghold gel, which is not my personal preference for how my hair feels, but I can deal with it for like a day or two if I wanted to rock a cool color. It's not a deal breaker for me. It was not hard to clean off of my body. I used like a makeup wipe and it came right off. Obviously I didn't shower yet. I do notice a little bit of flaking as well. Not unexpected, but I would wait until you do all of your styling and manipulating before you put on whatever you're gonna wear. I always kind of like tease my hair, but I think with this product, you kind of just gotta let it be. The white that I mixed in, you barely see it. I don't know if I needed to add more. Maybe I should have just added pure white over the blue so I could have more of a contrast. I don't really see it. Yeah, there is a lot of flaking. It's like all over my t-shirt. Actually, now there is a good amount of fallout. There's hella fallout, guys. Keep that in mind, like a lot. You can see all of the flaking all over my chest. Shit, it's getting everywhere. Ugh. Okay, that's annoying. I'm a pain with styling my hair, so I'm probably creating more flaking than the average person. I'm going in here, separating some of these curls that kind of ended up together. My edges are like really tight. Break up that product. I might have went a little bit heavy. I'm gonna stop messing with it. Let's get into it. Cool, so let's jump into these final thoughts really, really quickly. So I'm kind of torn about how I feel about this product. So I'm just gonna lay out the pros and the cons in case any of you guys want to try it out. One, I think that the product itself is really cool because I'm able to achieve a color and a vibrancy that I wouldn't necessarily be able to achieve unless my hair was super platinum. I didn't have to damage the integrity of my curls. I didn't have to really do anything. I just applied it over my hair and I thought that concept was really cool. It was easy to use. You just apply it kind of like a gel, you let it dry down, and then this is what it looks like. I think that the price point is decent. I think $6.99 for one of these containers is not bad, especially if one, you're considering changing your hair color to one of these and you wanna see what it looks like on you before you commit, or two, if you just want to switch it up and you don't want to damage your hair and you just want to wear blue hair for a few days and then go back to whatever your hair color is. Now on to the cons. One, I'm not crazy about how stiff my hair feels. Now that I've really manipulated it, it's better, and I feel like it feels closer to how I like my curls to feel throughout the day. I'm very handsy with my hair. I think that I'm always gonna have a little bit of blue or whatever color on my hands unless it completely dries down, because it does feel like it has a little bit of a residue in it. The biggest thing with this product is probably the fallout. It's excessive. Maybe I'm producing more of that than, you know, most people would. If you are just the type of person that applies product to your hair and you don't necessarily need to touch it throughout the day, then I feel like this product could definitely work for you. I'm basically coated right now in like a thin layer of like blue powder. It's on my pants, on my chair, on my arms, and that's something that's really annoying. If I were going out, that would probably really bother me. But besides that, I think that the colors that they came out with are great. The red one, which I'm just not a big fan of like red, but I'm really intrigued to kind of see how I would look with red hair. So I'm definitely going to use the others, and I'm just going to keep that in mind. Like, you just have to use it when you're not going out, or maybe if I do go out, I have to consciously remember to not play with my hair. And I think that this is a great option for people that are too scared to dye their hair because they don't want to damage their hair, or they have virgin hair, or they just are like over processing their hair, and I get it. I've always kind of wanted to see what I would look like with blue hair, and now I have it and I low-key really like it. So let me know if this product is something that you would or would not try. And what color would you get it in? They have like a ton. What crazy color would you want your hair to be if you could pick any color? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.